I've got the time to show my love.
Today, in our continued series, How to Make Money and Travel, we take you to stunning Elkton, Oregon. Tyler is an old friend of ours from Chicago who decided to leave behind his successful corporate job in the city and return to his hometown out west. Now, he not only operates a second-generation vineyard and winery, but also runs a pretty awesome Airbnb on the property. Maybe it's just better if we show you.
An Airbnb is always a good place to find random. And for me, random today means a yurt. Oh my gosh! What? This is so cute! Wait, this is like a one bedroom. Oh my gosh.
It's romantic.
Can you see? Is it light enough in here?
Yeah.
Because I mean, there's not a lot of windows. I don't think yurts are about the windows. Let's shut the door so we don't get any bugs in case there are any. Okay, this is like a Pinterest yurt. This isn't just any yurt. Look at this flooring. There's a fireplace. Bradley Vineyards, that's cool. Okay, so this is like bonus yurt because not all yurts come on a vineyard. There's like the wine tasting room here, so I'm sure everybody is, as we will too, buying bottles of wine and hanging out here in the yurt. But like, okay, so there's a whole like dining table, a living room. I mean, just, let's go check out the bedroom.
Yep.
We should get more nights. Okay, this is so cool. Which brings me to my next topic. Oh, look at this huge bathroom. Okay, this is seriously why Airbnb is so cool because we're the only people here. They close the tasting room at 6 p.m. We have like this whole property to ourselves and this whole like cool yurt to hang out in for the next we have tomorrow night too, so we got like all day tomorrow to hang out. And just like, this is so different than a hotel or anything else that you could find. And so for me, this is why Airbnb makes so much. Let's get out of the bathroom. Airbnb is awesome for stuff like this, for something unique, for the sense of, apart from the yurts, just like the sense of home, to have a kitchen, or if you're traveling with another couple or your family, you get multiple bedrooms and then you have the living space versus a hotel room, you just have like the bedrooms and then you have to go hang out in the lobby or something. So Airbnb is so awesome for that. And that's why we would like recommend it to any type of trip where you're staying more than one night. Airbnb isn't the best choice if you're just going somewhere and you're spending one night, because sometimes, you know, it's not checking into a hotel. You don't just walk into the lobby and grab your room and then you're good to go. You know, you like meet the owner, you chat for a little bit, they walk you through the property, and then you have to like check out with them and maybe give them the keys back or something. So one night, that's like a lot of processing. The other part of Airbnb is then there's other fees typically attached where you might have a cleaning fee and then even Airbnb takes a fee. So when you're looking at your nightly charge, if it's a $100 room, you might then have a $15 cleaning fee and then maybe an Airbnb fee on top of that. So if your budget was $100, now you go to check out and it might be $124. So that's just something to look at if you're thinking about Airbnb. Totally worth the same one-time cleaning fee if you're gonna stay there for 7 nights or 3 nights or something. The other thing I just thought of is, you know, we spent that whole first year and you guys watched us travel, but we would be in like Kuala Lumpur and it'd be like, this is cool to do this. And you might watch and be like, I'm never gonna go to Kuala Lumpur. Like, that's fine, you don't have to go to Kuala Lumpur. But it's a little out of tune. That wasn't me. This is definitely the G chord. Pepper. Pepper, my love. You are so cute. Don't be scared of the guitar. I digress. What's cool about this year is wherever you're from, look in your own backyard or just like a car ride away because, you know, For here, like if you were anywhere on the West Coast, you could just come out here in a car and like have a getaway weekend. And this is such a cool, unique experience. And it might just be, you know, a little road trip away. So you don't have to go to Kuala Lumpur to have your exotic travel experience. I mean, we travel around the whole world and we've never been in a yurt. And so here we are in Southern Oregon on a vineyard and we're in this like Mongolian tent. It's awesome.
Airbnb listings are getting more and more creative, and that just means there's tons of options for you to generate income if you own almost any type of space out there. We've seen yurts, RVs, sailboat cabins, and even permanent setup camping, glamping space as options for various listings. That just means if you own any type of property, this might be a great side business for you. Still don't think you've got anything to rent out? How about a flat piece of asphalt? In Albuquerque, we used Airbnb to find a driveway to park our RV, and then we had access to the owner's kitchen. Nothing elaborate, but still additional income for the homeowner. If you're looking for travel of your own, you can check out this property in the description below, and if you use our link, you can get $40 off any property anywhere in the world if you're just signing up for the first time.